We have 3 styles for you guys this week. All of the styles are going to come in various heel heights and various colors. I'm so excited that we also have a special guest today. We're in the Rent the Runway offices in New York City, and we have stylist Neil Timiraos with us today. He's going to walk us through the wedding styles that he would pair with these shoes, or even any event you have going on this season. We have a beautiful rack of clothing here that we're going to pair. And please stay tuned until the end of this week's live, because that's when we'll release the link, and we're going to announce the winner of last week's giveaway, a pair of Medio sandals for a pair of you. So make sure to stay tuned with us. All right, well, go ahead, box number 1. Are you guys so excited? The Polone is coming back in all new colors. This is a beautiful metallic gold. It has several heel heights. This is the 90 millimeter. It's very clean, it's minimalist. The block heel is gonna make it really easy to walk all over and dance the night away. Neil, what would you pair?
Love the shoe. I love how simple it is. I think the metallic's really great. It's a really great shoe, I think, to dress up a more casual look, or dress it down something that's a little more formal. You could even do like a really great summer style like this, dressed by 3 floor with that. Beautiful. Shoe will like really dress this up, make it a little more wedding appropriate, just make it a little more formal looking. You could even do it with a great party dress like this little Alexis, which I love for summer. Love a red and white stripe and the kind of unfinished edges.
I can see myself at like a destination wedding in this pair.
Totally, like really great. I feel like Nantucket, Cape Cod, yes. Really great look.
Amazing. Okay, shall we move on to a second style for you? We have,
I love this one.
The 70 millimeter block heel. So extra walkable if you're concerned at all about dancing the night away, or if you're a bridesmaid and you're walking down the aisle and you really want to be safe and secure, you're going to be able to wear a Polone in the 70 millimeter heel. It also comes in the metallic gold. Here it is in a beautiful vibrant blue, and the 70 and the 90 millimeter are both going to retail for $278 direct to you from Italy. What do you think about a vibrant shoe? What would you pair with this bold blue heel?
I love this color, and I think you have a few options. You can do something a little more obvious and really kind of play off of a prominent color in a dress, like this really stunning Temperley.
I love that. I love all the bold colors there.
You could even do it, I think it dresses up a really pretty maxi, like this DVF, which is really stunning.
I'm in Rent the Runway DVF right now for today's shoe.
And I think this shoe would be like great with this dress. Pick up the blues and the leaves there. And then you could also do something a little more unexpected. This really stunning floral by Mother of Pearl, which is one of our favorite brands in the office right now, a really great UK brand. The blue is like super faint in this dress, so to do a shoe like this is unexpected, really stunning, and like unexpected and sophisticated.
Yeah, I feel like this would be perfect at a wedding in any city.
Absolutely.
Really. Like I was thinking New York, or
I love this dress.
I have a wedding coming up on May 5th, maybe you can help me out. We have one final style for everyone today, and this heel is going to be perfect for anyone who really is not maybe normally a heel wearer, or somebody that just wants extra comfort. This is the Allegra. It's a 35 millimeter heel, so it's a little bit shorter. It's gonna be really, really easy to wear. Clean, minimalist lines. In the metallic gold, it also comes in a variety of colors like bright pink, luggage, black, sand, and the blue you just saw. So how about a shorter block heel? Can you dress this up for a wedding?
Absolutely, and I always train my team to really tell clients that aren't comfortable in a super high heel that if you're doing something shorter, a metallic is like a great bet to kind of dress it up. So even a dress like this kind of street length Jill Stewart, this is definitely not a cocktail dress. Super formal. To do it with a metallic flatter shoe like this, you really get the versatility to be comfortable all night.
So beautiful, this dress. There's like these little cutouts.
Yeah, I love this dress.
I think this might be the one I have to wear.
It's a good one of my favorites.
It's beautiful. Thank you so much. Do we have any questions coming in today? Any questions about any of our styles today? Let's see, I'll pop this open. Looks like everyone's excited for the 35mm heel. It doesn't seem like we have any styling questions, so I'll let you guys know where you can find Neil. If you are on Instagram, where can people find you to ask any questions about these styles they saw today?
On Instagram, you can find me at Don't Say Neil.
So you can find any of these dresses you saw today at renttherunway.com, or you can visit them in their flagship in New York, and you also have a couple other locations around
Yeah,
the
so
country.
our flagship store is in Manhattan, 30 West 15th Street between 5th and 6th near Union Square. Then we have a store in Chicago, we have a San Francisco location, and a location in Topanga in LA.
So make sure to shop the collection before anyone else on M.Gemi.com. M.Gemi.com/shine is an exclusive link just for our live viewers, so make sure to grab your pair before 10 a.m. when we open it up to the public. And as promised, we have our winner from the giveaway, and her name is Anna Camacho. So Anna, please DM us to win your pair for a pair of friends. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. We'll see you right here next Monday at 9:30 a.m. Ciao.
Bye.